You know, sometimes things aren't what they appear to be, and sometimes they're exactly what they appear to be. We've been talking about this for a little while now, and today came a little more news that adds at least a bit of clarity as to what Amazon's going to be doing with these pharmacy licenses and why CVS was quick to snap up Aetna, or at least quick to make an attempt. I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. It's Tuesday. The market's roaring here on the 14th of November 2017. And in the midst of the market being up, the news focuses on Amazon. Amazon has told regulators today that of the 13 licenses in 13 different states, they don't plan on using the licenses in Tennessee or Indiana to sell prescriptions. Why would they get these licenses then? They said they intend to be selling medical devices in those states. That probably explains why CVS went after Aetna, why companies like McKesson, Cardinal Health, and everybody else who's deep in the medical device industry is worried as well. Don't assume that out of these 13 licenses or the 11 other ones that Amazon's intent is not to become an online pharmacy the size of Amazon. That's definitely their intent, but they're also letting you know that they are going to be getting into a bunch of different industries in the medical field. It's not just going to be prescriptions. Medical devices is also obviously on the table, which means how are they going to be doing that? Whose medical devices are they going to be selling? Is there a merger or an acquisition on the forefront for Amazon? I would imagine probably more acquisition than merger, unless they strike a deal with one of the major medical device companies and be the distributor of them, which would have to be a pretty good margin for them to justify doing that, when they probably have the money to go out and actually purchase a company if they wanted to and bring them right into the fold. But if so facto everything works to their advantage, why not make a deal with someone, bring them in, and you just take a piece off the top and add all your good logistical shipping that Amazon has to whatever this other company already delivers in devices, and then you can team up and put the pressure on anybody you want. I mean, personally, if I was Amazon, at the growth rate that they're going, I'm not sure if I wouldn't be divided as if I wanted to get the company under management myself, but then also feel like, man, we're pulling ourselves in a lot of different directions. While they're a big, strong company, I'm not sure if that just doesn't spread you too thin as you start covering far too much ground for investors, shareholders, everybody to take a look at your company and really see what the big picture is, because your big picture just carries on and on and on, off into so many different directions. So I'm not entirely sure if for a streamlined business standpoint, just working with another company might not suffice what Amazon's trying to do. But as a company the size of Amazon, I could see them going out and buying a very large medical device company and really putting the pressure on in the medical device industry as well as in the pharmacy industry. You have to imagine both of those are coming. So here you go. Amazon chooses not to use their pharmacy licenses in Tennessee and Indiana. They're going to be doing medical devices, but in those other states, you can only imagine what it's going to be. Amazon, they're coming, and they're coming strong. I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, thumbs up for this video, thumbs up for all videos, thumbs up for Amazon getting into the pharmacy business. If that can help make your prescriptions cheaper and more efficient for you, I'm all game for it. And comments. We love hearing from you, so we definitely want to know what you think. Thanks for stopping by at Wall Street Breakdown. We will see you again in another video. You have yourself an outstanding Tuesday.